Hello students, in this session we are going to see the topic WH questions. WH question is part of interrogative questions. Interrogative questions divided into two parts. One is WH questions, next one is yes or no type questions. Now we are going to see about WH questions. What are the WH questions? Questions that start with WH. What, who, where, when, why, which and whose. WH questions cannot be answered with yes or no. It has a complete meaning. The WH questions gives you an information. Let us start with what. What indicates an object, idea or an action. What do you wear on your finger? I wear a ring on my finger. What did you think of the movie? I liked the movie. What will you do today? I will go to the playground. So, go to the playground indicates the action. Next one is who. It indicates names of a person. Who is this? This is Barack Obama, the President of United States. The Barack Obama indicated who. Who went on vacation? The family went on vacation. Where indicates place or location. Where did you go? I went to the pool in the park. Pool in the park indicates the place. Where is my hat? Your hat is in the closet. The closet indicates the location. So, both place and location are indicated by the question where. When indicates the time. When do you wake up? I wake up early in the morning. Why tells a reason or purpose. Always if why comes in the answer, because will be included to show the reason or purpose. Why did you go to the store? I went to the store because to buy eggs. The two things are included here. Next one is which. Which gives a choice. Which apple do you want? The red apple or the green apple? I want the red apple. Whose shows possession or ownership. Whose shirt is on the floor? John's shirt is on the floor. Here John's indicates for whose. Let us make a review on it. What always indicates names of an object, idea or action. Who will indicate names of the person. Where indicate names of the place. When indicates time. Why always gives a reason. Which indicates choice. Whose will always shows ownership. Congratulations. I think we have finished our lessons. I hope that you have understood what about the WH questions. I have given some information about the questions again. Refer it. Thank you.